This place used to be the sacred lake of the lady. Now it is the heart of midnight. The Lady of the Lake tried to heal Arthur back to life here, but he turned into darkness incarnated. I must destroy the king and fulfill my destiny.
By the old god's bones, the seat of my power desecrated, my heart ripped out and thrown into the mud. I only tried to heal the king here, as it was foretold, but not a single prophecy bloody told me that this would happen.
Yes, the stars shuddered and bled, and you are here, the saviors, the dead.
Great. Another hopeless lunatic in this nightmare.
Mad or visionary? Does it matter at all? I've been waiting for you. I'm a hermit, or I am the hermit. You tell me. I am living in solitude, seeking knowledge and giving out advice. In other words, I'm a hermit. Why is it so hard to understand? You need my help. This is the heart of midnight, which is both a place and a scar, a mark of the forbidden ritual. Oh, yes, you are the blade that will carve out the black growth. But he is stronger than you think. His curse was dreamed up in the void. More than that, it was an attempt to break the ancient rule that forbids your kind to leave Avalon. Not him. He was foretold to return to Britannia. How is he supposed to do that if the lady obeys the rules? I only gave her a little nudge, just a little. Oh, but you know what I mean. You were there, or you will be there. Past and future, it all blurs together here. There are powers so ancient that even I feel young compared to them. And this one has a grudge raging beyond the ivory gates. Trust me, you'll understand everything when it will be too late. The Knight of Midnight is gorging himself on fallen knights. He is getting more powerful with each soul. With my wisdom, of course. I'm a friend of the lady, and I know her secrets. I'll guide you. By the stars, you almost sounded grateful, knight. Shall we leave, then? The ones who came before you refused my help, and he rules stronger than ever. The lady was almost destroyed here. Her blood is tainted. But cleanse her shrines, and the waters will fill you with might. That is your only chance.
Damn it, Mordred. Are you insane? You should have learned that you never trust babbling lunatics you meet in the wild. This is his fault as well, after all. Not that he knows or cares.
Look, sweet Lady Blanche, the maiden of the lake, the one who embodied birth, is now the specter of death. I could be of some help, I suppose.
Blessings.
Blessings. orders?
No mercy for the wicked. Blessings.
Your orders?
Make up your mind. For my Camelot.
You think I can't fight?
For my Camelot.
For the round table. Your command?
Among the enchantresses of the lady, there was always three to ascend. The sacred trinity, three aspects of the lady. Maiden, mother, and crone, each with a shrine. You have cleansed this one. It can deliver her blessing now.
All mine.
I am humbled by the Lord's gift.
By God.
Pure luck or fate?
What have become of you, Lady Anita? You were the full moon, motherhood, and love. And now you are all sadness and decay. be really desperate.
For king and country.
I can take them all. Too late to run now.
Let's see if I could help.
The Lord is my witness.
What?
The Lord is my witness.
What do you want from me?
Time to feed the ravens.
Your command?
Must be more careful.
The Lord is my witness. Defend yourself.
What do you want?
No mercy for the wicked.
I serve the Lord.
Time to feed the ravens.
Do you need any wise words?
I serve the Lord.
Ready.
For king and country.
For my Camelot.
Sinners shall bleed. For the Lord Almighty. I serve the Lord. For the Lord Almighty.
Power and glory.
What do you want?
None can stand in my way. Taste my blade.
Your command?
The Lord is my witness.
Wait, this is tingling. A fountain of might sprouting from below. The lake is healing. The lady's presence is stronger.
A place to heal or mend armor.
Finally, some silence and peace. Yes and yes, they fall down and they stand up again. Darkness filled them like an empty vessel, and darkness remains in them until midnight ends.
Hold it right there. This is the sacred glade of the lady, and you cannot pass. We swore an oath to protect it until our last drop of blood. Take a step further, nameless knight, and you'll have to fight us.
Sword or sorcery?
Power and glory.
The Lord is my witness.
For king and country.
None can stand in my way.
Your command?
The Lord is my witness.
What?
Time to feed the ravens. Too late to run now.
At your service, my lord.
sword or sorcery.
Blessings. For the Lord Almighty.
I see a chest.
The Lord giveth.
Is it worth dying for?
Can you feel it? The beating of that mighty heart in the darkness. It is that way, straight ahead. It makes my head hurt. Lady Isabel, the aspect of death. I welcome you, Crone. What can I say? You haven't changed a bit.
Your orders?
The Lord is my witness.
You think I can't fight?
For king and country.
What are we waiting for?
What's it gonna be?
I serve the Lord.
No mercy for the wicked.
You must be really desperate.
I fight for honor.
Time to feed the ravens.
Do you need any wise words?
Christ on the cross.
What?
Blessings.
Sinners shall bleed.
At your service, my lord.
Three shrines cleansed, sacred numbers. There is a chance for the lady to return. Are you ready to enter the heart of midnight?
Something to line our pockets. A place to heal or mend armor. Hey, you can rest in the grave.
You'll find the place of death and rebirth there. The wound that bleeds until all shards are removed. I must leave. I cannot let midnight devour my soul. It would make him much too powerful. What did you expect from a mad old man in the woods? Oh, the irony, Dread Knight. You can't see it yet, but you will.
The heart of Avalon. The place where everything ended and begun. Where both the king and I perished, only to return again.
Nice. Are you ready to join my round table? We have tried that once, Arthur. It didn't end well, remember? Arthur, I knew that name once. Once I was the king. In the future, I will be so much more. I don't think so. Time to finish what we have begun.
No mercy for the wicked.
For king and country.
Blessings.
None can stand in my way.
Your command?
I seem to remember you now. You are Mordred. This battle brings back memories, doesn't it?
The Lord is my witness.
Time to feed the ravens.
Sinners shall bleed. The Lord guides my hand.
Kneel before your king. Soon it's my turn. Mordred, my vassal, obey your king. roles seem to have turned, don't you think?
Blessings.
Blessings.
Prepare to die. Taste my
Madness! My knights are leaving me. Return to me, coward. Why are you even fighting me? I protect the realm from the evils of the beyond.
You are not Arthur. Whatever the Lady of the Lake has brought back, it is an abomination.
At your service, my lord.
You must join me. Only to see, Mordred. This is knighthood. Made flesh.
Sinners shall bleed.
Camelot will prevail.
Fool! I am Camelot. I am the Round Table.
Well then, I have some experience in destroying both. Taste my blade. Not enough to kill me.
Your orders?
Ready.
Sinners shall bleed.
For my Camelot.
Your command? Fighting.
I am still breathing.
Blessings.
Blessings.
Time to feed the ravens. Take them.
No mercy for the wicked.
Taste what?
I am about to...
Blessings.
Blessings.
At your service, my lord.
It's over. This island is too small for 2 round tables.
A chest over there.
The Lord giveth.
The end is only the beginning, Sir Mordred.
Does this mean we are finished here?
It is not over yet. I was mistaken.
How? I killed this thing my old enemy had become.
You have destroyed one aspect of King Arthur. His rotting husk.
What? What have you done?
What I was meant to do. I tried to bring him back. I even broke some rules. But the curse was so potent that even I had no power over it. With my last breath, I unleashed the might of Avalon at him.
Your magic, which made him immortal, couldn't kill him.
No, it tore him into shreds, into 4 soul fragments. You've just killed one of them.
So, my battle with Arthur is not over yet. Shall I be angry or glad?
Destroy the 3 soul fragments of Arthur. Then you'll be free. Wait for the ravens that bring you guidance. From a queen you killed with your own hands.